has the enforcement of rules changed since the pandemic?
The enforcement by the judges?
Yeah, just the
By the
enforcement of of the different rules that we have. So, like you talked about the the CARES Act and some of these different ordinances and statutes. Do you feel like our court system is still ultimately backed up? Do you feel like our court system is moving through the eviction timelines, pre-pandemic, or is it still delayed? And how is that enforcement?
Yeah, and well, of course, mainly, I mean, my most of the evictions I do, not all, but most of them are in Dallas County. So, and it's, one of the largest counties in the state. And it, quite frankly, where I see that it's backed up, not necessarily in the JP court, because they are moving, we get, whenever we do file for a petition for eviction, we do get a hearing relatively quickly. But when you get to county court, that's where you can definitely see things being backed up. Um, in Dallas County, the county courts at law have exclusive jurisdiction as far as eviction appeals. And I'll just tell you, Marco, in what I've been doing, 90% of the tenants appeal from the JP court. They appeal with an inability to pay affidavit, saying they don't have the money to pay the bond, so they're going to county court. Now, county court in Dallas, in fact, they now have 2 full-time visiting judges at the county court level in Dallas, that's all that they do is evictions. The county court at law, the regular five courts, they don't handle evictions anymore because the workload is so heavy. Okay, so
Mhm.
they have two special courtrooms that are handled by visiting judges, and that's all they do is evictions. So that is evidence that things are still pretty heavy as far as evictions is concerned.